Feeling suffocated by the constant lockdowns and travel restrictions? Splatch is breathing new life to the Patriot e-bike to bring more outdoor activities to you with the all-new Patriot Pro. One of the most exhilarating things about riding an e-bike is the ability to soar through the streets at top speed. Our 1500-watt motor gives it the power to accelerate up to 31 miles per hour, making it easy to ride down stairs or up and down hills. Equipped with a front and rear suspension system, the rider can comfortably fly through bumpy obstacles while maintaining speed. And with the aesthetic truss design, riders up to 330 pounds can share the same thrilling experience. The built-in fingerprint recognition device activates the bike in 1 second. Not only is it keyless activation, but it also protects the Patriot from theft and can only be accessed by you and your friends. With the 26 by 3-inch fat tires, you'll have the grip that's necessary to ride on multiple terrains, making it the best fit for off-road adventures, weekend spins, and much more. Whether you enjoy the power of acceleration or the ease of pedaling, you can enjoy either activity separately or simultaneously at the push of a button. The max speed of the throttle is 31 miles per hour, while the pedal assist is 20 miles per hour. Equipped with Shimano 7-speed gears and hydraulic disc brakes, it gives the Patriot firm and safe stopping power, creating a more comfortable user experience. The Samsung 48-volt and 14.5 amp-hour battery is integrated into the frame and doesn't create any extra space on the bike. It's quickly and easily removable and can be fully charged in 4 to 6 hours. Don't wait any longer. Come be the master of this unmatched all-around beast.